Hello, everyone, and welcome back. This week's episode is a little different. Usually, I ask all of you a question, spend the week collecting your answers, and then turn those into an episode. But last week, I realized I didn't really have a question about a topic. I asked everyone a question about me, and since that cannot be the main topic, I decided to call a friend. Now, before we get into that conversation, I should probably introduce her. This is Ruchita. And if you would have told 14-year-old me that we would become friends one day and still be friends 2 decades later, I would have scoffed at you. Now, when we were 14, we had never actually been in the same class until our final year of school. She was one of the school prefects and she took her job very seriously. Hygiene, discipline, silence in the corridors, all very admirable qualities. The problem was that we were in class 10. We assumed we were the top dogs of the school and that prefects were supposed to leave us alone. Now, Ruchita clearly did not think that. Rules were rules, and she was our ideal leader. But then, school ended, we both landed in the same IIT coaching classes, discovered a shared dislike for the intense studying, schedule, and that place, and it was as if her serious switch was off. She was a completely new person. Someone who had no qualms in teasing our friends with complete strangers. Someone who joined me in kicking our friend's chair every time her crush walked into the room. And someone who didn't care about the rules anymore. Now, if I haven't told you about our infamous trip to Rajasthan, don't worry. I'm not going to get into that right now. Just know that it involved a remarkable number of things going wrong and an equally remarkable amount of fun. 20 years later, we have celebrated the highs, survived the lows, and somehow perfected the art of doing completely different chores while staying on a phone call for hours. So, yes, ours is a very much an enemies to lovers story, in the platonic sense, of course. But if soulmates exist outside of romance, she's definitely one of mine. And if you know anything about my friends, you'll know I think they're the best. And Ruchita is one of the best ones. Our conversation started with Kal Ho Na Ho, wandered into increasingly random questions, may have switched into Marathi in some cases, but we promise you weren't left out. And at some point, we somehow ended up also praising each other. In other words, we recorded the kind of conversation we would have had anyway. Now, enough of this introduction. I hope you enjoy meeting my friend. Imagine at the end of it, it's just going to be audios that have been put together because we have not been able to have any conversation that had a structure, even though we planned for this today.
I mean, we planned for it. Basically, you told me that you were coming, and then I wanted to prepare, but somebody doesn't like to do that.
I love that you have started this without saying hi or hello, which is how all our conversations begin. We don't even,
Kashaya hai.
I
We
don't
don't
think I
need
even,
those formalities, do we? It's been
yeah,
too
and
long.
I don't even think we text each other with a hello anymore. We just ask the question.
I think we only say bro or sup.
Yeah, that
That's
is to check the pulse. No, that is more like, hello, are you here? Can we talk now?
and yeah,
That
that
is
is our hello, right? Is
hello,
what I'm.
yeah. I
Yeah.
think the way that I have it with my mom is it's kai challe, like what's going on.
Oh
Well,
yeah,
we
yeah, yeah.
know that one of us is free, so are you free? Then we will talk with each other. So
Yeah, I think
stuff,
mostly
stuff.
like 90% of the times when it's a sub, we want to have a call. That's the subtext.
I
And
love
if
it.
it's a bro, it's like I have an update for you and you need to dump some information.
I love that you have like put it in a list because it is exactly that. Bro is
And
literally like bro, and I know my tone when I'm saying bro.
exactly.
It's like bro, listen, there's something to tell.
Yeah. So I know when it's a bro, I don't have to be free. I can just read it or like listen
Yes,
to it and be done.
yes.
But when it's a sub, it's like call करायचा का? Or like
I love
I
it.
need a call to get me to do the work I actually need to be doing.
Yes, please call me so that I can get back to my routine and get back to doing my shit.
Yes.
Yeah, totally. Anyway, I think we have spoken like for 3 minutes into this and we have not
Free
said
झाले काश.
we've not introduced ourselves. I don't have to introduce myself, but I have to introduce you.
Oh my
Uh,
god, I get an introduction.
I'll do a proper introduction and a separate audio where there is some structure to that, hopefully. But hi
पण मला
everyone.
ऐकायचंय.
You will hear it no fine in a podcast. This is our Anchal also heard it, okay? Nobody gets special treatment on this podcast. She also heard her own Kautuk at the end when she heard the podcast. There has to
एवढं
be
वाट
some
बघायला लागेल.
suspense. You know the rest of the conversation anyway, so there has to be something left for you guys also, I feel.
I don't think I know. I can't like anticipate which direction we will take this to.
But you will have had the conversation is the point. Anyway,
I don't
hi
know it right
everyone.
now is what I meant.
Everyone, please stop interrupting me. Let me introduce you. Hi everyone, this is Ruchita. She is a friend of mine. Since we were 15 years old, we have become friends in the
I did
weirdest
not know the number.
she won't let me complete this introduction. That is why it'll be done in a separate audio.
Of course.
We met when we were 15 years old, and we became friends, sorry, over something really stupid as kicking chairs. And that was my inspiration. And I answered the question today for this podcast because we literally became friends just for kicks. And that is our origin story. And we have been
Yes.
friends since through ups and downs and going to different countries. One of us being married and having a kid, but then nothing has stopped us from being besties. So, welcome to the podcast, Roshita. I
You
have
know,
made
I'm
it
blushing.
unnecessarily
इकडे
formal
लाल
now.
झालंय.
I have made it unnecessarily formal now.
Yes, very weird and strange.
Made some effort of introducing you earlier on. I think that's all I can manage with you on here because otherwise you're going to keep interrupting me. So yeah, I think today because we wanted to be a little structured and we thought we should plan a little bit for this. We came up with okay, Ruchita thought say it. You can speak. You're not like I'm not a teacher. It's like
I
you
don't want
cannot.
to interrupt your introduction.
I'm done. I'm done on the introduction. But tell us what you came up with, Ruchita.
Introducing what?
Tell us what you came up with for today's structure.
So somebody told me to come up with like three questions or so, and I was like, "Whoa, what? A lot of pressure on myself," and I did not know what to think of. And then I was like, "What did you come up with?" That was my question.
You're copying the homework from your fellow student.
Of course. I mean, I did have questions, but then I was
Good.
like, "Am I thinking on the right track, or what? Where are
Mhm.
we going with this?"
Yeah.
So
So
as
we
long as
have
I know the questions, I thought it would be easier for me
yeah,
to
yeah.
talk.
Especially
Yeah.
because you don't want silence on this call.
I mean,
So
there
we
might not
both
be, but there could be. You never
yeah,
know.
we don't want a lot of which anyway happens, but so we
Oh no.
both came up with three questions each, I think. Oh, I
I
don't
don't
know.
even remember my questions.
I think two questions, Ruchita, three questions, me. But before I think we even get into the questions, I wanted to discuss Kal Ho Na Ho with Ruchita because I was literally just watching that right before we started recording. I don't know
First,
why.
can I ask a question?
Yeah,
Why were you watching this movie?
I know. I was just going to answer that even before you asked it because I don't know why. I just was suddenly like I have to watch Kal Ho Na Ho. And I really don't even remember the trigger. Could have been, and this is the darkest sort of way to get into Kalona, was because I was watching Law and Order SVU, which is based in New York. And so I saw, I think, something in New York, and I was like, now I need to watch Kalona.
But do you know that most of it has been shot in Toronto?
Not
Tulsi
most of it.
City.
Not most of it, only the closer scenes, because I actually was
Mm.
watching Kuch To Hua Hai, the song, and
Right.
I saw it at least like 3 or 4 times. And there were a few, I think, background places that I was like, maybe I know where this is, maybe I know where this is. So a few of them, but the bigger shots are, of course, in New York only.
Huh, where it's
Yeah.
recognizable.
Correct. The
The
iconic, like,
skyline, वगैरह.
is
Yeah.
like the whole thing that he does where he like spreads his arms and there's the whole backdrop is New York. I think that is
I mean, they
very
had to do it if they are saying they are in New York.
yeah, exactly. I think some
Mhm.
songs only they haven't shot. They've taken close-up shots which were in Toronto. And I think downtown Toronto, you can like shoot it here and you know it's not. Like you can sort of be okay and say that it's New York when it in fact is not. But I mean, no complaints. So
I
yeah,
don't know about that, but I will take your word for it. I've never been to
yeah,
Toronto.
true,
Toronto.
true. Toronto. Please don't mispronounce. Uh, anyway, so yeah, I was watching Kalona Ho randomly, and I had such a good time while watching it. I don't think I've seen it in a very long time, by the way. I am one of those few people I don't think who is like a person who rewatches Kal Ho Na Ho. So it was a nice
I think
rewatch after
I
a long
rewatched
time.
it only because it played on the TV every other weekend. I wouldn't have taken it
Oh,
up by choice.
this was in
Current,
India.
which is in India. I don't think
Okay.
I have also seen it. I like the songs, but I think the ending bit, it's quite a lot.
Yeah, I would agree. I
So,
think that is probably the reason I have also not rewatched it because it
yeah.
gets really dark really fast in the end. Like it's so
I mean, it's
funny for a
not even
point.
like just about it being dark. The whole like stretched out intensity of Shah Rukh crying on screen all the time is too much.
I don't think it's, but that's not a very long time. I like rewatching it right now. I used to think that
Really?
that stretches on for so long, but it actually doesn't. It's very quick, and that's why I said it gets dark too
What?
fast, too soon. Everything is happening, and suddenly it's like, oh, Gela point. Like he's just not there anymore. And so that it ended so fast for me actually on the rewatch that I thought there was more that will happen. And like I think he says that I want to sleep, and then the next scene is her telling Gia that this was my life, and it was so quick for me that transition that I was a little surprised, very honestly.
Why are you doing this to me, Shruti? Now I have to watch it to verify if this
That's
is
the
true
whole
or not.
point, that people will now listen to this and go and watch Kalona Ho again. That's
Ah,
literally
he
what I
bad
want.
hai
Promoting,
agenda.
promoting Shah Rukh Khan films.
Is Karan Johar giving you some money for doing this? Is he?
I wish he was. But like coming back to the film, I think there were a few things that I was thinking did not age well. I think we discussed that a little bit with the fat shaming. There was also mental health shaming in this, which I hadn't sort of tracked when I saw it the first time, because they kept calling her father a weak man for having mental health problems and then committing
Hmm.
suicide. And I feel like that now I think that perspective has changed so much over the years with mental health,
Yeah.
that you wouldn't call someone who commits suicide or unalives themselves, if I want to speak like the current generation. Um, you wouldn't call them weak, is what I was thinking when I was listening
Yeah.
to that. Like, probably had some mental health issues, and that's why he did what he did. So, that was one. I think there were three things I thought. Yeah, and the gay jokes. I think that also did not age well. Those three things I think were my main beef with that story.
Yeah, I think
With it.
everything was a little bit like because I haven't seen it for a long time, I'm going to rely on my memory of watching it.
Yeah.
But I had also not liked how sexual that neighbor person was. Was she her sister? The fat girl's sister?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. The slut and the fat. So like
Yeah,
that's
I
how.
mean,
Yeah.
nobody is so like in your face slutty, in my opinion. Or like, at least don't show it like that. Weird होता ते माझ्यासाठी खूप.
Yeah, I think that was the joke, right? That was the funny thing, that she's just like every time she sees a good-looking man, she's going to throw herself on them. Like that was the joke.
आती झालं मला ते. And then
Yeah,
बिचारी,
I think
what,
with
sweet too, na? Sweet too, na? I don't want
Sweet
to
Tooth,
call her
yeah,
the
yeah, the
fat girl
sister.
again.
Yeah. No, I think for me, the whole Sweet Tooth of it and all the gay jokes were much larger than that neighbor throwing herself on to the guys. That was just one. Like,
Yeah,
it was so tiny
yeah.
in front of the other problems in that. And funnily enough, by the way, something that I noticed is Charu doesn't partake in any of that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like he doesn't partake in any, like his character is actually the nicest person to Sweetu in that entire story. Like Preeti Zinta
Mhm.
is supposed to be her best friend, and Preeti Zinta is being like, तुम कितना खा रही हो, तुम्हें खा के थोड़ी लड़का मिलेगा. And Shahrukh Khan was like, oh, you like this guy? I think he's pretty yuck, but you like this guy? Let me get this guy for you. And I was like, that's such a like, I feel like somewhere
Yeah.
that was Karan Johar projecting, because he has been fat shamed as a kid, and so he
Yeah.
loves Shah Rukh Khan so much that it's like, oh, Shah Rukh Khan will come and save me one day. And I felt like that
I
was
mean,
the thing.
it might have also been intentional because he wants like Shah Rukh to be the main character and you don't
Correct.
want any like soil on him.
Yeah, but I
So
mean, of course, there must have been earlier movies because the times were like that. Where Shah Rukh must have done something like that. Like, I have not seen all his films, so I don't know. But like, there could have been some kind of a dialogue like that. But in this movie, everybody is being like that to Sweetu, except for Shah Rukh Khan's character. Like, Aman Mathur is not that guy. Aman Mathur is like, you want this weirdo DJ guy on this boat you want to fall in love with? Let me call him. And then it was
what's
like
his name again?
Ram Dayal, no, Frankie.
Frankie. I kept
Frankie.
thinking Lucky for some reason.
No, no, no.
But
He
that
can
was the
sing like,
Mehuna character.
Ram Dayal, and then he's like, Ram Dayal, Frankie Ram Dayal.
That was good comedy.
Yeah, I think
Just
some of
calling
them
him
are really
Ram
good. I think
Dayan.
my favorite though, I don't know why it's my favorite, but it made me laugh so much when Saif Ali Khan comes back to Shah Rukh Khan after he thinks Preeti Zinta is like in love with him or whatever, and he's wearing a red tie which she's gifted to him, and he comes and keeps showing it to Shah Rukh Khan. He's like, look at this," and then Shah Rukh Khan eventually looks at it and goes, "Subtle," and it is the best joke because it's like it's anything but. But the way he said subtle, oh, I was like, this is comedy. Like, this is so well delivered, this dialogue. But yeah. Oh yeah, one more thing I was thinking. No, Gujju shaming of it was also a little bit too much on the nose for me. Watching it right now. I mean,
Retrospectively, I think it needs to be done for Americans, Desi Americans in the US.
you have agenda now against
No,
it.
I don't have agenda after the whole coming back to US experience. I'm like, ये shady लोगों को कुछ ना कुछ तो होना चाहिए.
Hari, but why one, I
Also,
don't
that
even.
woman was not even Gujju, but yeah.
Yeah, exactly my point. I'm like, why are you putting it on this one state and the people of that state? Like, I feel like they all took it on the chin and were very cool about it. But
Yeah.
I mean, why? I mean, I get the joke, but again, like in hindsight, also again, not did not
I
enjoy.
think because they were chill with it, even as like the characters themselves, it was all fine.
Correct, correct. I
Yeah.
would agree with that. Yeah, I think they were chill with it. They acted really well. But yeah, I mean, for me, I think
Yeah,
and
I
this is
think,
just me being pedantic. I have no issue with it. I laughed, but I'm
yeah,
being fair.
yeah. They have stereotyped the ideal Gujaratis in my mind.
They
All
could be
parents
also
have to
like
be.
that. Like,
Yeah.
yeah, they could be also like that. But yeah, I don't know. Camilla was fun.
Who's
I related
Camilla
with
again?
Camilla. She was like rich and handsome. Hello,
Oh,
hi.
yeah.
Totally
Kar nama
relatable.
Ayush Attas. Who's stopping you to from
Not meeting
becoming?
anybody who's rich and handsome. That is the
Find a
problem.
middle ground. कुछ ना कुछ तो हो ही जाएगा.
GU करायला गेला था to find
I
it.
know. I
Yeah.
think the only problem, going back to the Gujju point with the Gujju thing, is if I ever meet a Gujarati person, that GU starts playing in my head
A
instantly.
problem with it. That's a problem with it
It's
because that's
too
the
catchy.
stereotype.
Yeah, it's like, oh, GU, and I'm
Thank
like,
God
just
I've met
shut up
enough.
right now. You're a grown-up adult who needs to
Now
like.
I'm feeling good that I've met enough, and that has never played in my mind.
I think I feel as a Marathi person when you meet them. Somehow in my group there are not many. Might be an Arizona problem, or I don't know. But yeah, we have like one Gujju person in our group.
Oh, okay.
And when I met him for the first time, I was like, "Oh, Gujju, G-U.
And
I'm like,
what was their reaction? I want to know.
I don't think I said it out loud.
Oh,
It was in my
fine.
head.
The thing is with you, one can expect that you also said it out loud. That's why I had to ask the question.
Yeah, I think he is a very Shanta person. Uh, he married one of my good friends in Arizona. So the way he was introduced, I had to be like, okay, be Shanta, don't be your usual mad
Oh, I
self.
know who you're talking about now. Suddenly, I have realized who you're talking about. Oh my
Yeah.
God! Shout out to your friends if they listen to this.
Yeah, I will let her know to listen. And she'll
Yeah,
anyway like it because we've started off with Kal Ho Na Ho
her
and
favorite actor. Yeah, I think Anchal might have
yeah.
started this off as well. Like, what are they going to talk about? But Anchal, we have tried our best to be fair and praiseworthy of your
Yes.
favorite actor. My
I
mom, by
think
the way.
going back to the first point though, of me calling it like cringe with all of the melodrama and
Oh
him
yeah,
dying, maybe that's how well he acted. That's what stayed with me even after so many years. It's too much of trauma and I cannot make myself watch it again.
I think what like it I think it also goes to show how we remember those movies. Like for me, I think that as a young teenager got too intense and I because one my defense mechanism was to act cool about it. That I
Oh.
didn't care for that. Like, I was more about
Mhm.
the comedy, like the emotion wasn't my cup of tea. But that was just me being sort of trying to be too cool, but there was no point or reason to do that. Like today I was watching it with full I think maturity because I was like, let's enjoy the sadness of it all also. Like, be sad.
Hey
It's okay to be
Bhagwan.
sad.
And yeah, from our texts, I was thinking before we move on to a next topic.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
A few good things about this movie. I really like the music. Very good songs. Very,
Such
very
good
good
songs.
songs. And I still like some of the outfits. Like
I was
very
actually
good.
thinking about that while
Hmm.
you were speaking. Like SRK in Mahi Way, the outfit that he's wearing
That
only
black
comes,
and red, right?
yes,
So
only
good.
comes second to his outfit in Banno Ki Saheli. For me, Banno Ki Saheli is top outfit, the black that he's
Oh
wearing.
yeah,
And
yeah.
the second best is this Mahi Way outfit that he had, that red. He looks so good, my god.
The two dupattas, everything just started.
Oh
It
yeah,
was like a trendsetter.
totally. Even she is looking very good for for
Yeah,
that
yeah,
matter.
yeah.
In the blue and the like the skin color, it's a
Beige
very
and blue.
unusual, yeah, very
Yeah, I was
unusual
like,
combination.
Ekdati Cooper, she's very
She's
fair.
also very fair. Yeah,
So
yeah,
she
right.
can pull it off. But that blue just like stands out so well
Yeah.
that it's
Also, a color
beautiful.
not very often like worn in our like events. People don't wear
Yeah.
light blue the way that she's wearing, and she's looking stunning and also
Mhm.
classy at the same time. So
And
really
even
well done.
otherwise, when she's not like before her makeover and everything, the way she dresses is really cute.
But did you
Pastels
notice,
and
like, even after the makeover, like, she doesn't go like a very striking difference in what she's wearing earlier on and later? Like, it wasn't one of
yeah, it's
those,
not
like,
striking.
she's like that kind of films where it's like, oh, she was wearing jeans and overalls, and now suddenly she's into dresses. Like, it wasn't like that.
Yeah.
It was very natural progression, and the only thing that probably changed was she was wearing lenses.
Yeah, I think that really doesn't make a big difference for me.
Yeah, but I think that was the
Mhm.
only changes. Even within that, by the way, there are some scenes in the second half after the makeover where she's wearing glasses. So it wasn't
Yeah.
like that whole Naina of Ye Jawani Hai Diwani ke, I'm a studious kid and now suddenly I'm wearing this sari that has a patti as a blouse. Like, it's not suddenly that transition that is
Patti
happening.
as a blouse. I like that.
Yeah, I am not a fan of Ye Jawani Hai Diwani for everybody who's listening to this. So I can be very
Another movie with good
ruthless.
songs, though. Good
Yeah,
songs.
yeah. But I'm very like,
I have
Ye Jawani
my own beef with it, but that maybe we can hold off for another podcast
different
episode.
podcast we will be reviewing Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. Oh, I do not want to do that. I did not like that movie the first time I watched it. I do not like that movie even today.
I don't hate it anymore, but yeah.
Yeah, I think my personal beef with it has been there for very long now. So especially songs and the Ghane lyrics, I think I'm just not about it.
Kutla Gano.
Dilli Wali Girlfriend.
That's the only one Ghaneda Dhabba on that movie.
Yeah, that is how I
And
remember that.
unfortunately, back then the radio had just loved that song, so they would
I think
keep
that's why
playing
that's
it.
my
It's
memory of
so
that song.
annoying.
Yeah, that's
Like
my
there are
memory
so
of the
many
movie.
better
Sorry.
songs in that movie. Just play those. But no.
No, no, no. We won't allow that. It's only the Diwali girlfriend.
Also, I mean, you
Anyway.
can play holy songs when it's not holy season. So, like, play Balam Pichkari if you want a peppy song.
But Balam Bichkari also, for me, got a little over the top because I feel like people just stopped making holy songs later. And so, whenever we played Holi, like when I was in Noida or Gurgaon, it was only Balam Bichkari. And so, I got bored of Balam Bichkari
What?
also
They
after a point.
never played Do Me a Favor, Let's Play Holly.
Unfortunately, no. They played that Amitabh Bachchan one, Rang Barse, and they played
I think
Balam
I'm over
Pichkari.
that song.
Yeah, I got over those two. Like, Do Me a Favor,
Yeah.
Let's Play Holi is such an iconic number. I don't know why they don't play it.
Yeah, you have to listen to Anu
Yeah, I
Malik.
do not mean that in jest, by the way. I genuinely mean
I
that
can hear it like
for
in the spirit of
Holi.
Holi. Yeah.
Exactly, for Holi. I'm not listening. It's not on my playlist right now. I'm just saying for Holi.
I will listen to it today because why not?
You're going to watch Kalo now.
No,
You're going to listen to Do Me a Favor, Just Play
it's
Holi.
not a favorable time of the month to watch Kal Ho Na Ho, okay?
I think it is because then you can cry and you won't have to justify it.
I can anyway do that, but okay. I
I
have
don't
a
need
toddler.
permission.
I do that on my own.
Yeah. No, I think yes. The outfits have those are really good for me too. I think yes. I accept that statement. Anyway, I think we have spoken about random shit. I know we wanted to know Kalu now, but somewhere Yejwani and Divani has also come into the foray, and I will not allow any more discussion about that stupid film. Let's get into our questions now. We were discussing the word that I had asked everybody to give for me because I wanted praise last week. And you came up with the word constant, which,
Yes.
first of all, thank you. But second of all, you said I needed to come up with a word for you.
Yes, please do that.
I think very good question. I should have thought about the answer first. But now that so randomly you have put me on the spot, I think the word that came to my head was Naura because it was just like one of those very like we have that kind of relationship that if we
My
need
word.
something, yeah,
I actually thought of Baiko first, but then looking at your feminist stance and our feminist stance and everything, I did not
your
want to
feminist.
start a larger debate around that word.
True, true,
Uh,
true. But
so
like
I
a
was like
companion would
constant.
be the word then. I'd say
Yeah.
companion. Like it's you've just been there all the time. Because I mean
I
I'm
think
equating
it,
that to
I mean, the feeling
Naura.
is
Yeah,
very like it resonates between us because we've seen
correct.
like a lot. And
Yeah, yeah,
I think there are some things about myself that only you know. So,
yeah. I agree with that. I think
yeah.
I remember I was talking to someone recently about this, and I was like, I can't talk with everybody on the phone or chat with everybody. Like it's
Yeah.
difficult for me to do that. There are a few select people I do that with, and you're one of them. So yeah,
Same
that
to
is the
you.
answer to your to your very what do you say short answer to your question. I think the
Yes.
next question that you had, I'm only repeating a question to you, but the next question that you had, which now you answer, is what's your take
Two
on the
answers.
opposites attract theme?
Yeah, I was thinking about it last week or so. I think
Why? First, tell us why you were thinking about it.
I don't know why I was thinking of it because I feel like I end up fighting with my husband these days, and I'm like, किती वेगा विचार करता हूँ मैं दोगे? Like, why can't we just align on something ever? But then
Married
I was
people's
thinking
problems.
about you, and like I thought about like I really believed in that theory, Adi, when I was like making friends and everybody.
Okay.
And whenever I noticed like somebody doing things in a different way,
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
uh, I try to like be like, oh, aisa पण करता है तो. Or
Right.
like it amuses me that there might be another way to approach the
Correct,
same
correct. Yeah.
situation. And I feel that's why that theory kind of works. But there has to still be like some common ground or like
Yeah.
something that helps you connect with that person.
I agree.
And then over the time, I think you have like worked through your shit, be it your friendships or relationships, but there is a lot more alignment later.
Mm.
So going back to what one of my husband's friends said, she used to call couples he used to call couples blobs because eventually they kind of just merge into each other
Merge
and
into each other. Yeah.
yeah. And I
Interesting.
kind of agree with it. Even though like it might start off as opposites, it might really end up into a blob.
Hmm. Interesting. I actually don't agree with that. And on the opposites attract theme, I feel like you and I are a very good example of opposites
Yeah,
attract.
I was thinking of you too. I mean,
Because
yeah.
I don't think we are very similar. Like, and I also have noticed this over the time, and I've discussed this with a lot of people, is that when I look at my friends, I know that there are only exceptions, but most of y'all otherwise are very alike in the way y'all approach a situation or how you approach making friends or whatever. Because most of the friends I have are extroverts, and I particularly am not. And so I think I just gravitate to the ease that you all bring to any situation. So in that sense, I think we're opposites. The other thing that I was thinking while you were talking right now is that we actually don't really match on our, there's a quote by the way which I don't remember right now, but it's something about relationships which basically says that if you have records that collide and books that won't speak to each other, then probably you both shouldn't be with each other. So
Hmm.
basically saying that if your music tastes and your book reading doesn't match, you should probably not be with each other because those are fundamentals. And I think we don't have that much of a like a taste that matches in those. I mean, you
Oh,
don't read as much, but If we had
Yeah.
to just look at music, I don't think you and I have the same taste in music. So even then I feel like you and I
Yeah.
have been able to be
I think
friends.
because, again, I think we've put in a lot of work.
Yeah.
Uh, I mean, not like it was a burden or anything.
No,
It
no, yeah.
naturally happened so.
We
But
wanted to, you can say.
yeah, we really wanted to, and we have like grown on each other. Plus, right now it's more about like, oh, I don't know about this thing, so let me learn about it from
Right,
her.
right.
Instead
Yeah,
of
yeah.
being like, oh, I'm really not interested about
Yeah, exactly.
XYZ.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and I think music's not that, it's not become that important a problem for us to be
Yeah, I
hitting
think
on. Like,
music is one thing which we don't discuss as much because
yeah, because we just
we
don't like the
know,
same. Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, yeah. We don't like the same kind of music. I
Mhm.
agree. Yeah,
Except
so
for Bollywood, please let there be an exception.
yeah, but I think I was thinking of that quote
Yeah,
when you were saying that. So I do think opposites attract, but where are you opposites? Like, what are the things you are opposites in? I think really matters. What
that's true.
ideas do you're not are you sharing, are you not sharing would probably be the place I would say. But if it's
Mhm.
completely someone who's not like you, so for example, and I'm just thinking from personal experience that I'm a planner, I'm an organizer, and if someone just like, on impulse today, let's go do like bath tomorrow, I'd be like, please no, I cannot do this, I'm sorry. I need to plan this a month in advance. So that would be an opposites attract that I don't believe in. So my answer is it depends.
It depends. That's a good
As
answer.
as usual with every question that is asked to me. Okay, I'm going to ask you a question now. Do you have more questions by the way before I get into mine?
I mean, the whole planning bit led to my next question,
Ask
which
ask ask.
was while traveling, do you prefer to plan it out or no? But I know, of course, I know both of us are planners and
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
we love it. But yeah, would you be okay with unplanned trips? And you answered it already.
Yeah, no, I think I need some level of planning. I think
Mhm.
today I'd say that if I know the plan in advance, even if it's something I don't want to do, I would do it just given I knew that in advance. But if I did not know that, then I'd probably be a bitch about it. I'd be cribby.
Warning.
Yeah,
Yes. But
yeah.
I think I was asking it from the point of view of my recent trip to
Oh
India
yeah, yeah.
experience. And I think I couldn't really plan it the way I usually plan my trips.
Yes.
And I was okay with that because we are learning how to be parents to a toddler. And
Yeah, yeah.
yeah,
Audience,
I
yeah. She
think
has
the
a toddler.
biggest,
That's the reason why they couldn't plan this
yeah,
time.
but the biggest reason why I was okay with it was because I knew the people would take care of it.
Yeah,
So
true, true,
I didn't have to be like, oh, this is
true.
on me. I was just like, okay, we are going back home and somebody will figure out what to do
I
and we'll
agree.
just go with the flow.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
think if you get company like that, even I can chill out a little. Like I was
Yeah.
thinking about like even our trip that we did, the 1 day trip that we went out. I didn't think
Yeah.
about a lot of the things that we did that day, which I knew you would think about. And then I could think of 10 other things.
Yeah.
So it was just easier, I think, to do that. I think I did say this to Anchal also last year when we were traveling in Amsterdam. I was like, she was good at the food and like where to go and eat and where to go and drink or where to go and party. And so it was just I didn't have to think about that. And then
Yeah.
particularly I'm not going to plan it or organize it or even think about it to be fair. Like I'm just going to be like,
Yeah.
I trust you wholeheartedly. You do this well. I'm not going to question it. So there
That's
I can be chiller. Like for those things, because I
yeah.
also, like you said earlier on something else, I'm also not that invested. I'm more invested in where you're taking me. So I'm okay with trusting you to
Yeah.
make that decision.
Yeah. I think that helps. But yeah, those were
It's
my
good
things.
when friends have different interests in that trip, I feel. Like they're both planners, but they have different interests. So, for
Yeah.
example, if you're the touristy kind, you want to plan where you're going to go, what museum you're going to visit, and your friend is someone who's like, I want to eat this food in this place because it's the best food in this city. You can plan together and make a day out of it.
That's true. That's true. There has to be the balance of it.
Yeah. Because otherwise, I feel like if one is touristy and one wants to go hiking, then it becomes very difficult.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. तिकडे अलाइन असलं पाहिजे. There you cannot be
Exactly.
opposites.
There you can't be opposites. Yeah, I
Yeah.
feel like all our answers are merging into Fun blob.
Yeah, I'm telling you, blob theory is coming alive.
This blob theory. That's going to be the name of this episode. Blob theory.
I like it.
Anyway, so do you have more questions?
No, those were my questions.
My God, Rush, thank you. So my first question is, if you had 60 seconds to make me cry for $1 million, what would you do?
Why have you come up with such a malicious question, firstly?
Because I googled questions on Instagram and this was something that came
It would
up.
be something to do about your mom. I mean,
Yes, you have hit
something
the
horrific
jackpot.
happening to her.
It's my mom. My mom. Anything about my mom. That does
Yeah,
not give anybody rights to do anything, by the way. This is a
evil.
vulnerable conversation we are having. I'm already getting emotional.
काही गरज होती है करायची आता? माझं PMS चालू आहे.
But yeah, I think that's my like
I
weak
think, and
point.
if any, like even imagining a scenario would tear me up, and I'm like,
Oh yeah, yeah.
why is she doing this to me right now? Like,
No, that is such a good. I was like, why is it taking her so long to come with an answer? That's such a easy answer.
I was
That's my
trying
weak
to go
spot.
easy on you. I mean, I was like, guys,
I
like,
just saw
I
color
think you are
though.
doing an amazing job with like the situation you are in right now. So I'm like, अजून खराब कशाला तिला पाहिजे काही? Like nothing
Birua,
was
can you imagine how self-destructive I am? I have gone to watch
just
Kalu now.
stupid.
I was like, I
Self-sabotage.
need to watch this and then cry. That's my approach this morning.
Sometimes you just need a trigger to cry. So
Yeah,
that
yeah.
is
That was all. Like,
justified.
I think that was the reason
Yeah.
I wanted to watch Kalu now. Is that I need to be emotional right
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
Touch base with my heart. Okay, the
Okay.
next one I had was, yes. This one, by the way, it's a trending question on social media right now, which is why
What was
I
your next
put it.
one? Sorry, I have
It
no
was,
idea of the
if I
memory of
forgot
it.
everything tomorrow, what's the first thing you would tell me about myself?
I
Because
think
I
I would
forgot.
just play one of your favorite Bollywood songs and remind you to dance. And then
Oh,
it'll come back to you.
that is your first impression, the dancing. Interesting.
Because you're such a natural when it comes to songs that you like, that then your memory might just come back once you like
That
do a
dancing.
Leja Leja or whatever.
Oh, by the way, today when they were like the Mahiwe song was playing, I fully
Huh,
danced on my seat. I could have stood up, like I
exactly.
could have like
That's
been
it.
standing. Yeah, there are like three versions. So I was
Yeah,
like fully I could do it. I felt so good about myself. I was like I still remember the steps.
exactly.
So
Play
thanks,
a
man.
good
You know
Bollywood
me too
song
well.
and then she'll dance it out and she'll remember her shit. Is
I
what you
agree.
can hope.
For you, I'm thinking what would be. There are so many stories, but I think I always when I think of you, I think of Rajasthan. So probably something from there. But
But
if you
that's
ask me,
more of like a you and me situation.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
I'm
that'll
thinking
help
more.
me remember you.
Yes. But if
Yeah.
I had to make you remember you, then probably it would be something to do about, say, Adu or your family, and
Yeah.
that would be the way to go. Yeah. Shout out Adu. How's he doing and take care right now?
He's sleeping. Nap time.
Good for him. Yeah, and I think I feel like our questions are like yielding very small answers, but the final one that I had,
किती बडबड केली आधीच.
my God, such a mom dialogue that was. The minute I took her son's name, she's like, "Kiti barbar kiya."
I am a mom. I'm owning it.
Yeah, good on you. Okay, the final question I had was, what is a topic or hobby you could lecture on for 30 minutes with absolutely zero preparation?
You know, that was a tough one for me, to be honest. I feel as a designer, I can talk about anything to do with design,
Yeah,
especially the past few years I've been invested in research and doing a PhD and what
yeah,
that means. So easily 30 minutes, but people would get bored.
yeah.
So the next one I
But
thought
I
of
mean,
was
it's about you. It's more about you, right? Like what you want to talk about. You don't have to worry about the audience. The audience could be anybody.
I think
You are just
if it was
something
just
that you
me,
can
it
go
would be
30 minutes about. 30 minutes is quite a lot of time because
could be anything to do with like going back home, cooking,
oh
my
yeah, cooking could be
ajis,
one.
my friends,
Yeah.
Bollywood. काही पण असू शकतं. It really
Bollywood.
depends on that day.
Yeah, Bollywood such an easy throw in though for this question. Even I
Yeah.
could speak about Bollywood for 30 minutes.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
think I really enjoy cooking. So if anybody has any questions, वगैरह, then I get excited and I'm like, oh,
true.
okay, I can talk about cooking
Yeah,
or
yeah,
like
yeah.
how to fix something which is not tasting well. I like doing that.
Hmm.
So,
Interesting. I'm
mm,
thinking even Novak Djokovic for me, I could speak 30 minutes.
30 minutes, I don't know. It really depends on the people in the room.
No, like I said, I'm not thinking about the people. You're asking
Yeah,
me what I can speak 30 minutes about. One of them is Novak Djokovic.
that's nice.
Yeah, one of them is.
I don't think I can do 30 minutes.
Oh,
I love him, but 30 minutes is,
30 is too much.
yeah.
I get that. Yeah. I think I could do dancing, Bollywood, and Novak Djokovic, and I think many other things like pop culture and all also. Brooklyn Nine-Nine, you
Yeah,
could speak to for 30 minutes. I could
I
tell you the
can.
whole story about Brooklyn Nine-Nine and then
Yeah.
convince you to watch it.
I mean, yeah, I think anything to do with something we have liked watching,
Exactly.
easy 30
Friends,
minutes.
even
Yeah.
Friends, even with all its
Yeah.
problems. Yeah. I mean, the problems could be a subsection in the 30
Yeah.
minutes.
I think if it were to be a show, I think I would have picked Schitt's Creek
Oh,
and
30
tried
minutes
to.
on Schitt's Creek? Interesting.
Yeah. I think because
Mm.
I can spend like a good amount of time on some of the characters.
Which is your favorite Schitt's Creek character?
I don't think I can pick a favorite.
Oh, I just assumed it would be Moira.
I love Moira, but
Yeah.
she's eccentric and amazing in her own ways. And you can only handle so much of her.
If you had to choose one of those characters and then the thing was that you have to live with them, who would you choose
Live.
for the rest of your life?
God, Patrick.
Oh, wow. I would go with the dad because he, I feel, is the most level-headed.
Oh no, no, I can't live with any of the shits. Patrick is the only like resonating person I can.
Oh, God. Patrick would become a little boring, I think, after a point. That's why.
But then I
You
get
are
to do
the
my
David,
own
na? But
shit.
yeah, yeah, yeah. You're
Yeah.
the David. True, true.
I can't handle somebody else's drama every day.
That is true. Yeah.
I can watch it and be entertained and be like, haha. But I don't want it in my life.
Ah, wow. We have come up with so many sub questions in this.
Yeah.
I
What
think I
about
have
you?
out of the Schitt's Creek, the
Yeah.
father. I think the
The
father.
father.
Yeah, yeah. I think he's the most
Yeah.
level-headed of them all for me.
That's true. That
Yeah.
is true. But he's
Patrick,
also kind of like,
he is kind of I think we've gone for the two
yeah.
boring people on that show. Patrick and Dad. The
Yeah,
other three are very eccentric. Yeah.
true. I think the other option would be Stevie, probably.
I can't deal with that kind of dry humor after a point. I'd be very conscious. I'd be like, have I done something wrong? Are you angry with me?
That's why she's on number three.
That's why what?
She's on number three. No, actually, she should be lower then. I was
Yeah.
just thinking if I were to be like living with Stevie, I would be afraid.
That's what I'm saying. I'd be
Yeah.
like always.
No, no,
Like,
afraid of like her weird, like goth ways in weird
oh,
ways.
but yeah, it's so she's also very unpredictable. I think you don't know
Yeah.
how what would set her off. I don't think she's that character. That's how I have perceived her. But yeah,
I mean, she's pretty normal to be honest, but
true, true.
yeah.
Yeah, she's bored because she's in that small town. I think that's the benefit I'd like to give her.
I don't think she's bored. I think she's quite okay with where she is how I felt. At least
Interesting.
towards
That
the
is
end.
that was a journey later. I think she didn't
Yeah,
begin
yeah,
like that. Yeah, she didn't
yeah.
start like that. Yeah. But
That's
anybody
true.
who, by the way, is not who's listening to this and hasn't watched Schitt's Creek, I'm sorry we have left you out of the conversation. But please go watch it. It's a good show. Uh,
Sorry, we do that to people. We end up
yeah,
speaking in
highly
Marathi
recommend.
half the time.
Yeah, we still have tried very hard not to today because there are some
I have
non-Marathi
not,
listeners.
but yeah,
No, but I think you also did a pretty decent job.
yeah, I
Yeah.
tried.
Okay, I have one final question for you.
Kitty questions. What
If
is
you
this?
had,
Some exam?
yes, it is. If you had to choose between A.R. Rahman and Shankar Hassan Loy, which musician would you choose? That's your final question.
I don't like Rahman's music anymore, to be honest.
Okay, that's
Very
a
few of his recent songs have really like hit it with me.
true.
except for his like other language stuff. So
I think he's still doing better there, right, than
yeah,
Hindi.
so the PS1 and 2 songs, some of them are very good.
Okay.
And he recently, he, I mean, I think he shot this movie two years ago, Gandhi Talks म्हणून.
Oh, I don't know.
It's a silent film, so
Oh,
it only
interesting.
has music, and त्याच्या it was released in multiple languages. So I like the Marathi song Zara Zara from that. It's very good.
Oh, nice. Nice.
So that's what I was thinking of. My choice would now, in the current scenario, have to be Shankar Ehsaan Loy because they have
You're
given
saying
the.
that looking at their entire work sort of library, you would still choose SEL?
I think I listen to their music more.
True. Same, I think, for me.
Rahman, I need like a
Mood.
particular mood.
I agree. Yeah,
It
me too.
motivates me. Like up to Lagan, I think I really loved his music. Even Swades. I don't know when the timeline of it, but yeah.
Swades is much later, yeah.
Yeah. But then it was all like एखादा काहीतरी album आवडला. I haven't liked
Yeah.
the whole thing.
Interesting. I think for the longest time, till musicians were given time to make music, his music was good. And then
Yeah.
suddenly, I think I'd say post Slumdog, it's not been good. I think that's sort of the marker in my head is Slumdog. After
I
Slumdog, I don't
hadn't even
remember an
liked Slumdog, to be honest.
yeah. I particularly also don't like that album. I'm just saying that's sort of my marker where at least his music was a little catchy, but then beyond that,
Mhm.
I don't even remember an album right now. His most recent album, I think, was after a very long time. People are liking the music with that mascara and all that. What is that film? The one
Oh
with
yeah, मैं
Vipin
वापस
Shah.
आऊंगा. I want to watch that
Oh yeah,
film.
मैं वापस आऊंगा that film. So the music of that film is now getting a lot of
I
love.
think those all were like तमाशा वगैरह पण त्याचे आहेत. They were good albums.
Right, right. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, but was
But they
Tamasha
have to
before
be like an
Slumdog?
Imtiaz Ali film or something. So yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense. Where the direct actually cares about the music. Yeah, I can
Yeah.
see that.
I mean it's more about Imtiaz also doing his stuff. Oh, then to Diljit wala movie also. What was it called? Chamkila.
Oh, I have not heard the songs. No.
Yeah, that was also quite good. But again, it was so artsy and it was so local
You're
that
right.
for those songs to stay with me, it's not gonna happen.
I think that was my issue with that film. Like it was so
Mhm.
local that I just actively was not interested.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What else? I'm trying to really, but I mean, when it comes to Shankar Ehsaan Loy, the problem is की त्यांच्यासारखं खूप music आहे. So
It's
sometimes,
more commercial, right? You can't like
yeah.
yeah, it's
So
you
it's like
can't
just the Bollywood masala. So I can't like pick just them. Like
yeah.
I can't leave behind like a Preetham and
Oh yeah, I think
like a
Preetham, Vishal and Shekhar
Vishal Shekhar.
and
I can't.
SCL are the
Yeah.
same sort of
Yeah. So I think
kind
all
of
of them are
music.
doing good Bollywood music. So I can't just give it to one of them if
Oh
I
yeah,
had to
yeah.
pick. Yeah.
I actually assumed you would choose Rahman because I thought you were such a big Rahman fan. That's why I was like asking that.
Not anymore. I think in the recent years, I haven't enjoyed his music as much, unless it's a few numbers from his.
Yeah, but that's I think just the overall state of Bollywood. I don't think it's
Yeah.
particularly Rahman. That's
Yeah.
everyone. Yeah. If I have to look like a full album, the most recent one that I liked was that Metro film, the Life in a Metro sequel film. That was the most recent album where I genuinely liked more than one song in the
I
album.
haven't heard that album. Can you
Not
imagine?
everybody liked it, but for
Yeah.
me, I think particularly that was the first time I said, "Oh wow, I've liked more than one song in an album," which has not happened in
Mhm.
a while. So that was a shout out if anybody wants to listen to any new music. But yeah, I
Yeah.
think that's all of the questions I had. You have passed this exam with flying colors.
I would
Yeah.
expect no other result.
Yes. How do you feel about your first appearance on the podcast? And would you like to come back again to
I
review
think
Ye
I've been
Jawani
there,
Hai
okay,
Diwani?
on the background of your podcast. I tried answering all the questions
Oh yeah,
and
that
I
is
could.
everybody though. That is everybody who's been
Yeah.
answering. I like it. I like that everybody has done that.
Also, I like how, I mean, I think I've been there in the sense that we've had like many more conversations after I listened to one of your
Yes.
podcasts. And then we are like, oh, असं पण झालेलं वगैरे वगैरे. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
But I feel like that is a good thing about all of my friends is that you all come back to me and have a conversation. I
Also,
am
now
connected
let
with all of
me
you.
take a minute and be like, "Tumhari tareef."
Oh my god, I did not expect this, but yes, please. I
Uh,
asked for praise last week and I'm getting it.
I just wanted to say that I'm happy that you are actually doing this podcast because when you visited me last year, no, this year only, when you visited me this
Yes,
year, you were like, I'm going to order those mics. And then we've been talking about a podcast for a very
for
long
sure,
time.
yeah.
So for you to like come out and do it already is amazing. And thank you for doing it. It's very entertaining.
I was also very entertained. This was a good conversation, asking random questions. I feel like this should be a structure now.
And I think I was supposed to answer something Anchal had asked.
Oh yeah, she asked for the food item.
What food I would be. I had
But
thought about it. Yeah. And shout out to Anjal for asking that question. But I think I would be chaat because I think I'm
chat.
like
That's a good answer.
chatpati and like everybody likes it. I'm kind of that kind of a person, I hope. There's like
I think it's
tikhad.
such a self-indulgent question also. It's been so like ever since she's asked the question, I think I have also thought about it on many occasions and I feel like I don't have an answer.
I did not at that minute.
Yeah.
I was like, oh my God, that's such a like tough question to
Yeah.
answer. But then I'm like, I personally like savory things more, but chaat is something where you get sweet and savory together.
True, true.
And like a good SPDP.
Oh yeah.
Mm.
Vaishali. Oh my God. My mouth is
Yes.
watering right now.
Same now. I have to make it. But
Okay, shout out to Vaishali in Pune. If you are ever there,
yes.
please go and have the SVDP. It's available after 5 p.m. every day. You will have to
Too
wait on the
late,
line maybe,
but yeah.
but please, it's worth the line. Now that ended abruptly. And it is a pretty accurate representation of all of our real life conversations. Something comes up, someone gets a call, and we hang up. We also pick up where we have left off, so that's been nice. First of all, a big thank you to Rajita for coming on the pod. I texted her afterwards to tell her that it was nice to have a recorded conversation about a bunch of topics that meant nothing. A nice little thing to have for posterity, I guess. It was so much fun, and I hope we do it again sometime, Rajita. So, now for the achievement of the week. This week's achievement is that I'm still progressing on my AI learning. I mean, just about. But progress is progress. It's one of those things where every time I think I've finally understood something, I realize there's still so much more to learn. It's a little intense, but I'm reminding myself that if I want to be relevant in today's job market, I need to learn more about this new evil technology. But enough about AI. Let's talk about next week's question. Talking to a friend from school has a funny way of transporting you back to that phase of life. And it got me thinking. If you could go back to school today, what is one subject you would remove and what is one subject you would introduce? As always, I am much more interested in your reasoning than the answer itself. Tell me why you picked those subjects. What would you hope students gain, or what do you hope students have to stop enduring? I can't wait to read your answers. I hope you all have a great week. See you soon. Bye bye.